What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work. And today we're talking about how to invest in land development deals and make passive income. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, real quick, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to invest in land and make passive income. All right, so there are a few ways to invest in land, right? You can ride around your little hoopty, your boopty, your neighborhood or local area and look for land for sale and put a big down payment on some land. Simple. Right? Simple. Then you can sell it, right? Find your investor and sell it for a profit. Boom. This is not very passive income though, unless you find a realtor to do everything for you. Right? I mean, like everything. Find the property, find the investor, sell the property, and do it all over again. Right? Right. Then you gotta pay them percentage. Right? You're going to have to advertise the land plot, find the buyer, and make the sale. You're going to have to do everything unless, like I said, you get a realtor. Or you can find a REIT fund that is mostly invested in land development deals. This would take some time to find a REIT that is only invested in land development, but you can do it. You can find REITs that are invested in farmland specifically, if that's what interests you. But this video is specifically for land that is going to be developed. You know what I'm saying? Going to be built on. Farmland is not a development type of situation. It's just you farming the land. That's it. You're not developing anything. Okay, let's keep that in mind, right? Let's keep that in mind. So, with all that being said, there is a company named LandVest. They specifically invest in land development deals. They have 100+ combined years in land development experience. Okay, so sounds like a good idea to me to try to check out a company like this, all right? They have a 15% IRR with potentially 40% profit on deals. Zero downside land investment, zero. Okay, I know you're like, how, but that's what they claim, zero. And basically they're saying this is a diversified investment that will offset and marginalize any loss, right? This type of investment could help keep your investment portfolio safe. You know what I'm saying? From the scary term inflation. You hear? Inflation. Where does it come from? Inflation. Where did it go? Inflation. Oh my God, inflation. Yeah, the scary word, inflation. That's what investing in land development deals can do for your money, keep you away from the forces of inflation. But this investment is not for regular investors though. It's for an accredited investor specifically, okay? And if you know what an accredited investor is, then you would know that you have to have a certain net worth to participate in these types of investments. That's why the regular person doesn't have these type of investments, right? Now the question is, how do you get to these investment levels, right? How do you get to be an accredited investor? How do you get there? How do you be able to take your money and invest in these land development deals, right? How do you get there? Because literally all you got to do is have $100,000 in the bank and you can become a accredited investor, right? Now, the thing is, you will need to find a source of income that can provide you with income you can possibly accumulate quickly, right? You need to build a business online, specifically, okay? That can possibly get you to where you want to be financially. Is that serious? Is that easy? Is that plain and simple, right? It might not be easy. Like, let me scratch that. It's not easy. But knowing exactly what you got to do is easy. Even to the level of being an accredited investor, to be able to invest in these $1 million deals, you can just start a side business and make that happen, okay? You can. I know you're probably looking at this video or watching this video or listening to this video and you're like, whatever, get out my face with that. But you can. If you're open-minded about business and ready to take things to the next level, check out the Wealthbuilderz System.com. That's Wealthbuilderz with a Z System.com. You'll be able to learn how to make more money, save more money, build a business and online, right? Just imagine you start this online business and then you start to build a passive income that you can then turn around and invest into these landed investments and start making some serious life-changing income, protecting your investment portfolio. No more 9 to 5, no more having to work a certain amount of hours to get the right amount of money just to pay your bills. This is what life can look like for you and your loved ones if you take that leap of faith. So, thanks for watching and subscribing. It's the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Puddin Workbook, signing off for how to invest in land development deals. Do remember, wealth builders, we make more, we save more, and we build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking